The Maruti Suzuki Omni 2025 is here to redefine versatility, reliability, and affordability in the automotive world. This iconic vehicle, known for its timeless design and practicality, has been reimagined for the modern era, blending the nostalgia of its legacy with cutting-edge technology and innovation. Whether you're a small business owner, a family on the go, or an adventurer seeking a dependable companion, the Omni 2025 is ready to exceed your expectations. At first glance, the Omni 2025 retains its classic boxy silhouette, a design that has stood the test of time. However, subtle updates give it a fresh, contemporary look. The front fascia features a sleek grille with chrome accents, flanked by stylish LED headlights that provide superior visibility and a modern touch. The body is available in a range of vibrant colors, ensuring that your Omni stands out on the road while maintaining its iconic charm. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, offering a comfortable and durable environment for both driver and passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed, providing excellent support even on long journeys. With seating for up to 8 passengers, the Omni 2025 is perfect for family trips, carpooling, or transporting goods. The flexible seating arrangement allows you to easily fold or remove seats, creating ample space for cargo when needed. Under the hood, the Omni 2025 is powered by a fuel-efficient 1.2-liter petrol engine, delivering a perfect balance of performance and economy. This engine is paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. For those who prefer automatic convenience, an optional automatic transmission is also available. The Omni 2025 boasts an impressive fuel efficiency of 18 to 20 km/h, making it an economical choice for daily commutes and long-distance travel alike. Safety is a top priority in the Omni 2025. It comes equipped with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors, providing peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. The reinforced body structure enhances crash protection, while the inclusion of ISO-FIX child seat anchors ensures that even the youngest passengers are secure. Additionally, the Omni 2025 features a robust suspension system, offering a smooth and stable ride even on rough terrain. Technology has not been overlooked in this modern iteration of the Omni. The dashboard is fitted with a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This allows you to seamlessly connect your smartphone, access navigation, play music, and make hands-free calls. The system also supports Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and a rear-view camera, making every journey more convenient and enjoyable. For those who rely on the Omni for business purposes, the 2025 model offers enhanced utility features. The rear cargo area is spacious and easily accessible, with a wide-opening tailgate that simplifies loading and unloading. The durable flooring and tie-down points ensure that your goods remain secure during transit. Whether you're delivering packages, transporting equipment, or running a mobile business, the Omni 2025 is designed to meet your needs. The Omni 2025 also embraces sustainability, with eco-friendly manufacturing processes and materials used throughout the vehicle. Maruti Suzuki has taken significant steps to reduce the environmental impact of the Omni, making it a responsible choice for eco-conscious drivers. The efficient engine and lightweight construction further contribute to lower emissions, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Driving the Omni 2025 is a joy, thanks to its nimble handling and compact dimensions. Its small turning radius makes it ideal for navigating tight city streets and crowded parking lots, while the elevated driving position provides excellent visibility. Whether you're weaving through urban traffic or exploring rural roads, the Omni 2025 offers a confident and comfortable ride. The Maruti Suzuki Omni 2025 is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. It represents the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, offering a reliable and versatile solution for a wide range of needs. Its affordability makes it accessible to a broad audience, while its durability ensures that it will remain a trusted companion for years to come. For families, the Omni 2025 is a dependable partner for creating lasting memories. Its spacious interior and practical features make it ideal for road trips, weekend getaways, and daily errands. For entrepreneurs, it's a cost-effective and efficient tool for growing your business. And for adventurers, it's a rugged and capable vehicle ready to take on new challenges. The Omni 2025 is a testament to Maruti Suzuki's commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. It builds on the legacy of the original Omni, a vehicle that has been a part of countless journeys and milestones over the decades. With the 2025 model, Maruti Suzuki has once again proven that it understands the needs of its customers and delivers a product that exceeds expectations. In a world where vehicles are often defined by their complexity and extravagance, the Omni 2025 stands out for its simplicity and practicality. It reminds us that sometimes, the best things in life are the ones that serve a purpose, that make our lives easier, and that bring people together. The Omni 2025 is not just a car, it's a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and the enduring spirit of innovation. So, whether you're a longtime fan of the Omni or discovering it for the first time, the 2025 model is sure to impress. It's a vehicle that adapts to your lifestyle, grows with your needs, and becomes an integral part of your journey. With the Maruti Suzuki Omni 2025, the road ahead is full of possibilities. Embrace the future while staying true to your roots, and let the Omni 2025 take you wherever you need to go.